Hi there, this is Ankit back again with another video. So first of all, welcome all of you in my channel KNA Technology. So without wasting our time, let us start our today's session. So first of all, let me show you the work that I have done so far in last videos. So let me first open my XAMPP folder containing our project file, which is available on local disk D. So this is our project folder in which all the files are the project files of our online bus reservation system. And in last video we were working on seat available.php. So first of all, let me show the work that I have to develop in this video, and also that part that I have developed in last videos. First, let me start my XAMPP Apache server and MySQL server. Okay, so our local host dashboard is open. Now we will move to navigate to the our project file, that is bus book tutorial and main.php. Okay, now move to the bus ticker.php. Inside we have to search the buses using destination and source station and using date, and let me choose the date as Tuesday. Now search bus. So as you can see, two buses that have boarding station as Patna and destination station as Mumbai, and Ranchi and Patna for others are showing on our bus search bus.php. Now on clicking on the corresponding view details button of corresponding bus, then it will show the details of corresponding bus. Okay, so actually we have to log in first, only then we can able to see the details of bus. Okay, now come to bus ticket and search for the bus. Okay, now view details. Okay, as you can see, we have fetched the bus with corresponding ID. Okay, and since the ID for permit traverse is 3, so it is showing in our URL, so it is correct. Now we will try to fetch the details of corresponding bus here. For this, come to Sublime text editor of seats available.php. Let me show you first that the output that we are going to show. Let me show you first that the output that we are going to show. For this, write here different URL bus booked .php. Okay, Ranchi to Patna search bus. Okay, as you can see, 3 buses are showing, and this is our sample project from where I am trying to develop the working project. So as you can see, the Maharaja Travels, which has boarding station as Ranchi and destination station as Mumbai, are showing. Okay, so here in this video we will try to show this portion, only this portion. Okay, and in next video we will try to develop this section, sitting arrangement. So first of all, try to develop this section, that is the details of the bus. So for this, come to Salam Tech Editor, and inside sheets available.php, you can see there is a large number of code here, and also we are going to provide some extra bundle of codes. So first let me work on navigation bar for this page, where we will show the corresponding email ID of a user that is currently logged in to book their ticket, and that email ID will be shown in the navigation bar. Nav class navbar expand bg danger, nav dive class navbar brand, button class navbar tubular border 4. Okay, change this to sit avail navbar. Okay, sit avail navbar, and our span class will be as same as navbar tubular icon as of previous. And okay, here dive class id will be changed also according to our value of data target attribute, that is sit avail navbar. Okay, now come to UL part. Li class ml and nav item. Okay, and here all these other li's will be deleted. Okay, delete it here from here to here, and we will provide a new fresh li tag. Okay, this is a opening of PHP tag. Inside this, if is set dollar underscore session with the session variable, that is email. Inside if statement we will have dollar dollar email is equal to dollar underscore session variable, that is email. After that we will have elite tag with the class attribute nav item, and inside this elite tag we will have anchor tag with the href attribute having the value main.php, and another attribute class with the value nav link, and the content will be home. Okay, this is for this elite tag. Now there will be another elite tag with item. Inside this elite tag we will have an anchor tag with the href attribute with a blank value, and class attribute with the nav link value, and drop down, and data toggle will be drop down. Okay, after that the content will be in the form of php variable, php echo hello dot dollar email. We have used here dot to concatenate this hello with our php variable, that is email, that will show the email of corresponding email of user that is currently logged in to book their ticket. Sorry. After that we will have anchor tag that will be closed, and elite tag will be also closed. Okay, now there will be div tag inside this anchor tag with the class attribute having the value drop down menu, and inside this div tag we will have form tag with the attribute called method having the value post. Inside this we will have button tag with the class attribute drop down item. Okay, I think this is enough for this video. We will continue this section the next video, because it will take, if we are going to continue this video, then it will take longer videos, and that would not be appropriate for us. So thank you, see you next video.